Hi there, students. Whack, a whack, to whack, and even the adjective wacky. Okay, whack. This is onomatopoeia. It's the sound of something hitting something. This word you would see in a comic book with lines round it when two things hit each other, when they collide. So, a whack, a hit, a slap, a blow. Okay? Or as a verb, to whack, to hit, to strike. The door whacked me in the nose. Yeah? The falling stone whacked me on the head. So, a whack, a sharp blow. Yeah? Okay, a sharp blow, a hit. Yeah? It can also be the stroke of a hit. He tried to whack the fly, but he just missed it. Okay? So, we also have lots of other uses for this word whack. A whack, an attempt. Have a whack at this. It's my whack, it's my turn. Take a whack at this, you'll really enjoy it. Notice informally as well, to whack can mean to kill, to assassinate. Yeah? They whacked the president. Notice all of these meanings are very informal. Okay, a whack, a share, a portion. Full whack. Turn the oven on, full whack. Put a whack of salt into the recipe. You should pay me fair whack, a fair rate. Yeah? Or he paid full whack. He paid the full amount without a discount. We also use a whack to mean, or to whack to mean to put carelessly and quickly. Whack your coat over there. Whack it in the oven for half an hour. Whack in a whack of flour. So, put in a portion of flour. Okay? Whack. Whack it over there. Whack it on the hook. Whack it in the fridge. The Brits use this the whole time. Okay, now we also have an adjective, wacky. Wacky means crazy, but funny, offbeat, a little bit strange. He's got a wacky sense of humour. He tells wacky stories, strange and fantastic, but still interesting. Notice somebody could be a whack job. Crazy. Careful of him, he's a whack job. We also have the phrase out of whack, not synchronized, not balanced, not with the right timing. The cylinders of the engine of my car are out of whack. When they turn the clocks backwards or forwards, my body clock is always out of whack. Yeah? So, going back to this word wacky, notice the spelling. They lose the H. Yeah? But, well, the sound is the same and it's from the same origin. The origin of this one is onomatopoeia. So it sounds like what it means, and maybe it's of Scottish origin. And notice to whack is a regular verb. He whacked the door. He's whacked it in the oven. Yeah? So that's easy. And notice this is really informal. I'd probably give this like a 3 informality. Great for an informal conversation. Do not use it in something semi-formal or very formal. You'll have to find a different alternative. So, to hit, a stroke, an attempt, a share, a portion, put quickly, whack job, crazy, out of whack, out of synchronization. Okay, so it's informal. For something semi-formal and formal, use a different word. So whack, the sound of something hitting something. To whack, to strike, to hit. Let me have a whack. Let me have a try. Let me have an attempt. It's my whack. A portion of something. Put in put a whack of interest into this, and you'll find it much more interesting. Whack in, put in, whack some salt in it, whack some water onto it. It'll be fine. A whack job is crazy. If things are out of whack, they're not synchronized. And then wacky, oddball, interesting, funny, a bit crazy. So there you go, whack. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Whack and wacky.